This is a dream come true. First of all, Haas give you the possibility to work in your garage. Because I didn't have three-phase. I live in the middle of nowhere. I put this in my shed, connected to 220, and that was it. In a week, the machine was already installed. Hi, my name is Edison Barajas. I'm the founder of Sharknivco, and we make art with knives. The knives are, for me, like a canvas. We've been using knives since the beginning of times. Knife is like the soul of your adventures. You know what I mean? You go in the woods, what you need? With a knife, you can survive. I used to make 50 a year before I was introduced to Haas. And now I'm in a place where I can machine probably like 10 knives a week. So the blades are made out of stainless steel, crucible steel. That's a special steel that you can heat treat, you can temper it, and it's super hard. And for the handles, I use titanium, meteorite. I use Westinghouse micartas from the 60s, from the 40s, from the 20s, you know. I use exotic materials, you name it. I make everything on the machine, even the screws. So I create different facets on the metal. It facilitates the way that you can cut material with it. I 3D contour the handles. I 3D contour the packet clip, made the back spacers, made the screws, the little screws, made the big screws. The only thing that I don't make, I think, is the stop-ins. I like the machine because it can make better knives than me. It's so precise. This needs to fit in here in a way that doesn't move up and down. But it has to fit really snug in there, because the blade, when the blade opens, this thing has to stay through. Otherwise, it's gonna feel a movement on the blade. But the machine allowed me to produce these parts in-house with no effort at all. We just do it once, and then we just follow that formula to the point that people can send me the knives, and they damage something on the knife, I just can go to my drawer, get the same part, and that same part is gonna fit their knives. I'm just happy. I'm not even call this work. I mean, I just come here, wake up in the morning, come to work, and I know that I can create something in Fusion, and my machines can make it for me. Haas give me the possibility to reach out to thousands of people. I can make more knives a week. I can put more knives in their hands, just thanks to Haas. Because by myself, I was doing just one knife a week. By Haas, it's 10 knives a week. So Haas gave me the opportunity to open and expand my vision. The only thing that I regret about this is not doing it sooner.